Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our channel. In this video, explore a stunning collection of nail art design perfect for every occasion. From simple elegant look to bold creative styles, you will find inspiration for your next manicure. Learn how to create trendy designs like marble nails, glitter essence, floral patterns and geometric shapes. Whether you are into minimalist design for eye-catching art, those ideas are perfect for beginners and pros alike. Watch step-by-step tutorial and discover easy techniques to elevate your nail game. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more nail art inspirations. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Your feedback means a lot to me. So drop a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest content. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.